Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody just sent me a message on one of my videos about the artistic media tool, and the other day I made, if you haven't watched that one, it's pretty cool. You could do stuff like that um, real quickly, but they asked me if it would work with a font. So I made two. I made one with three of them. So just go to artistic media tool. If you don't know how to save that, um, just find that other video and it'll show you. I don't really see the purpose in this. Uh, it's not going to work as good as, you know, like the envelope tool or text to path. But it is, you could do some with it. There's a single line of artistic media tool, and let's see what that doesn't look like a flip. And you have to be, if you hold down the mouse just a little bit too long or something, it just doesn't work. So I'm going to say no is the answer to the question. Um, in some cases it might work on something else if it was just a letter. So let's just do one real quick. Let's just make the letter F. Let's make it a little larger. Tell you what, let's make it a fancier F. Go up and go to airbrush, and then take your artistic media tool and go right here to save, a little diskette looking thing, and I'm going to call this F. It doesn't really matter what you call it. And then when you grab your artistic media tool, you'll get that F, and evidently it's having trouble, probably because it just has one symbol, and so it doesn't really work. Let's make a, what I didn't do is you need to convert that to a curve. Now let's save it again, see if that makes a difference. We'll call this F2. We'll grab our artistic media tool, and there it is. It does work. I forgot you had to save it. So you just need a little shorter line. Now I don't see the advantage to this. It could get you some weird shapes, and but let's just do this. Let's let's move this down here. Let's make a duplicate and move it over, holding down the control button, and then duplicate it again. I think we're already converted to a curve, but we'll just make sure. Yep, it's already converted to a curve. So then just go to your artistic media tool, hit save, and we'll call this F3. It doesn't really matter what you call it because I don't think it's going to, I'm going to say yes, I'm going to say it F2. So it does do a little bit of funny stuff, but I'm still thinking, text to path is going to be a lot better, unless you were just using a font letter, one letter for like a symbol, and then it might work better. But the other ones work quite well. I did them in color just so they show up on the video a little more. So if you haven't watched that one, you might want to watch that one. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.